you're looking to manufacture a product in China, I think it makes the most sense to start with the biggest manufacturer of hardware in the world, Apple. The problem, though, is that if you try to deconstruct what Apple does, they're a trillion-dollar company. They have more resources, more assets, more people, more capital. Everything that they have is things that is not available to everybody. I reverse engineered what they did and tried to come up with a way to make this more accessible to the everyday small or medium-sized business owner. I call it the component control method. We can get into more detail about what that is, but at first I want to tell you about the three main benefits that you get out of it. Number one, you work only with specialists. If you want to have a perfect product, every component, every piece of that product needs to be perfect. Perfect components result in perfect products. The second piece is money, right? People think that by working with specialists, they automatically assume it's going to be more expensive. Now, you may be paying a premium for top components, that's natural, but by working with just the specialists and getting rid of all of the extra hanging baggage, you're going to be in a spot where you're paying a lot less people have their finger in the pie. The third, and arguably most important piece of this entire puzzle, is IP protection. In a world where it's cooler to start a product-based business than be in a band, you need to make sure that your products aren't getting copied. And by working with the specialists, no one sees what the big picture is. Nobody knows exactly what you're trying to make, and that makes it so that you have a product where people are focused on the components and don't care what product you're making because they're making better margins there. I wrote a blog post, an article that goes into this entire topic in much more detail. Click and check it out. It's somewhere around here.
La 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 la.